sweet, sweet, sweet. Got like 3 hours on this hood. That's all the customer could afford. I could definitely put more time into this. The access was really horrible. Most of this was glue pulled. I was able to get some stand aligner tools in there. That was my best shot, and I'll show you end results. But anyway, when you look at this, I had everything out for the kitchen sink. Lots of glue pulls, but as you can see, looks good. Perfect? No. But at the end of the day, you got these big scratches, so they're going to see that. Typically a hood like this would get replaced, but came out really nice. Anyway, got anything similar? Need it cleaned up, not looking for perfect, just trying to take the bling out of the ding or dent? Give us a call.